we've already started.
We made a little bit of slime with our Tide and our glue. And
Yeah, so we'll be back. Yeah, we're working out. We'll be back after we mix it. Okay.
I said because.
Okay, we came back. It's pretty good.
So yeah, it's really good.
So we're gonna put this to a side,
and then we're gonna make some more, and then we're gonna mix it. So we're gonna put this on video.
Yeah. So we're gonna put all the glue in.
So yeah, she's gonna do hers first, and then she's gonna pour her glue. Then she's gonna hold Kinley because Kinley wants. Wait, we can get a chair.
You know.
We need something for her to stand on.
Mom doesn't have anything to do with him.
Nana, can you scoot over so I can get that chair? She really wants to stay back. Or can I use this when you get that one?
Yeah, you can have that one.
Okay.
Here, hold on. I'll get this one.
I mean, literally, Nana, the last time he seen his mom was senior at football. Back in.
Okay, just stand on the side. Okay. So we're back in my sign.
So I had to go get the chair.
Yeah, and I'm pouring all my glue.
Over Christmas.
My bottle fell in.
Okay, that kind of messed up. Our bottle fell in. Her bottle fell in. So
It's fine.
we're gonna do that. Mine is getting together. Mine's like this. Getting good. I'm pouring out the glue. And as if you didn't know, you need to go subscribe to this channel right now. Like I'll give you 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You should have been just subscribing down at this channel. We'll put a link below. Say you better smash that like button.
No, don't you touch it.
And Kenley's fingers just went in the slime.
Okay,
so yeah.
So yeah, can you go get it like paper towel because my like hands are like bad. Please, just like get three rectangles. Sorry guys, this is not working out really bad. I mean, it's working out really bad. So just set it down. Ooh. Right here. So I'm just gonna put this right here. Put my spoon right there. And we're going to...
And we'll be back after we kind of get it together.
Yeah.
So say bye, Kenley, for a minute. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're back.
And we've been stirring a lot, so yeah.
For like 5 minutes.
Yeah, and it's going good.
I'm just coming in with my hands. Get this.
I've already been with my hand for like a minute, maybe. Kind of on my hand, but that's okay. We can get it off.
Because we have a bathroom.
Don't touch my door handles and stuff.
We won't, Nana. You want to feel it? Feel it. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Kenley is trying to touch the slime.
That's good, Kenley. What did I say? I know, but like it's kind of sticky. Kenley, no.
She doesn't listen.
Okay, look. Mama, can you get her? Because she keeps like grabbing it and I don't want it.
Oh my gosh, Kenley, your hands. It's okay because babies are supposed to get messy. They're only one once, right?
Okay, we can put this on here.
Oh, bless you. Okay, this is the slime. So we'll be back right in 15 seconds with the good mixture. Okay, we'll be back.
For like a second.
Hey guys, we're back. Kyla is in the bathroom for just a second. We're still taking control of the slime. Kenley took a hold of it, so we had to get that situation caught up.
Yep, and
now she's back, and now I had to get it. Kyla's is a little bit better than mine for now, but Wool's will be the best ever that we made.
Can I feel yours? Just one poke?
Yeah.
We can just use plates, right, Nana?
Oh, I love yours.
We can just
Okay,
use plates,
so
right? Yeah.
This is mine. It's a nice thread.
Open up.
And it's really poppy. Then it has a really nice poke. Like,
Marking it. Gizzy.
if you can hear that, it's kind of on some stuff right here, so you can't really hear it. So, because the stuff is making it from.
I need a little bit of this. Because this will make it better.
Mama, Nana just bought some laundry detergent.
She did.
But it wouldn't work though.
Mama, so this laundry detergent, can we take it home and just use it for my slime?
Yes. Or you can just leave it over here and use it for slime over here.
Leave it here.
You can use ours.
Yeah, because I can use mine for slime.
Hannah, are you ready to eat? Are you eating?
So, yeah. And that's our